Good morning, students. Let us start Unit 2 story Nina and the Baby Sparrows. This is from Marigold Class 3. Let us start question answers of this story. Two videos we have already done with this story, reading and explanation. One video and part 2 video has new words of the story. So if you have not seen the part 1 and part 2, you will find link I button above. You can see them. And so let us start question answers of this story. Reading is fun. In this section we have some questions and we have to answer them according to the story. Okay, so let us have the first question. Why was there great joy in Nina's house? Why was there great joy in Nina's house? So the answer is there was great joy in Nina's house because her aunt was getting married and they were going to Delhi to attend the marriage. Okay. So next question is why was Nina worried? Why was Nina worried? Nina was worried for the baby sparrows. You know, in the story, there are two baby sparrows in his room. So Nina was worried for the baby sparrows. She was thinking if they will lock the house, how will the papa and mama sparrows will go out to take food? Okay, papa and mama sparrows go out to take food for their baby sparrows. So if the room will close from all the sides, how will they can move there? So Nina was worried. Next question. What did mother suggest? What did mother suggest? Mother suggested that they will left the window open and lock rest of the house so that they can go out freely. Okay. So mother suggested we will leave the window open so that Papa Sparrow and Mother Sparrow can go out and take food freely for their baby sparrows. Okay. Next question. What did Nina find when she came back from the wedding? What did Nina find when she came back from the wedding? Nina found two plump little sparrows flying all over the room. When they went for marriage, the baby sparrows were very small. They even didn't have feather properly, but they came back from the marriage. Nina saw two plump sparrows flying all over the room. Now, talk time. Let us talk. How do baby sparrows eat? Have you seen ever? How do baby sparrows eat? Okay, see the picture. You can see the mother sparrow or father sparrow giving food to baby sparrow's mouth. So in this way, baby sparrow eat. Mother sparrow help the baby sparrow to eat. Okay, mother sparrow search the food and put in his mouth. Okay, like our mother does. But she feed with a spoon. So similarly, baby sparrow get its food from the by the help of mother or father sparrow. Okay. When new things would you like to wear for a wedding? Sorry. What new things would you like to wear for a wedding? You can say I would like to wear. Okay. So you must have attended several marriages. So you wear new things. What kind of new things you wear? You can write here yourself. I would also like to wear shirt, coat, and new shoes. And you can say, I would also like to wear lehenga chuni or anything. So you can say your answer here. Okay, let us move next. Picture story. You can see we have some pictures and some circle is there for every picture. So we have to make a meaningful story by using this picture, and we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4 sequence of the pictures. So in part 1 video, what I have done, picture story. I have told you how to build a picture story. So you can see part 1 of this video. So in the same way we can do. So the story will start with Nina. Nina is sad. Nina is sad. If she is sad, that will be the first point. Okay. Next, when you are sad, what happens? Mother asks. So mother asks why. Then mother asks why is second point. Third, then Nina will tell something. So Nina does not want to leave the baby sparrows alone. So it is third point. In fourth point, mother will reply. Mother says, we will leave the window open. And what happened? Nina is happy again. So in this way we can complete the story. Okay, so write this story in sentence now. Nina is sad. Mother asks why. Nina does not want to leave the baby sparrows alone. Mother says, we will leave the window open. Nina is happy again. So in this way, story started with Nina's sadness and story ended with Nina's happiness. Okay, so let us move forward. Word building. Write down suitable words describing each picture. Pick up the word from the list given below. We have few words: beautiful, black, red, happy, tall, fat. So out of these words, we have to use these words as a describing word which describe the following pictures. So let us see first. A fat woman. A fat woman. Fat is describing the woman. A rose. What type of rose is? Red rose. A red rose. So red is describing the rose. Next. A happy boy. A happy boy. The boy is happy. So happy is describing the boy. Next is a peacock. A beautiful peacock. A beautiful peacock. Beautiful is describing the peacock. A board. What kind of board is this? Black. A black board. Next is a man. A tall man. Tall is describing this man. So a tall man. So you can use another describing words for here. So write some describing word from yourself so that you can understand what is the describing word. Describing words are the words which explains the noun. Okay, woman is a noun, rose is a noun, boy is a noun, peacock is a noun, board is a noun, man is a noun. And fat is describing woman, rose is described by red. So in this way you can choose your own describing words like a beautiful red rose. Okay, a beautiful woman. Okay, so in this way you can describe and you can use another words if you want. Let us next.